Introducing the dashboard. While writing, there are many things to keep an eye on. Ulysses' dashboard is your go-to place for all information that's relevant to your text. Let's give it a closer look. In the dashboard, you can check your text statistics, add keywords, review your text structure, and much more. There are multiple views, each of them optimized for a different purpose. Let's start with the progress view, where it's all about the numbers. Here, you can view different statistics such as word count, number of paragraphs, or reading time. You can also check the statistics for a specific text selection. What's more, you can attach a goal to your text. Let's say you need to write about 800 words. Now, you can monitor your writing progress. If you want to focus on the structure of your text, the outline view is for you. Here, all headlines are displayed in a hierarchical order. You can easily check your text's outline and jump between its various parts. But Ulysses does not stop at headlines. You can also see annotations, links, and footnotes. See the speech bubble icon? Click it to find everything you've annotated in your text. For example, comments, marked passages, or deletions. You can also attach a note to your text. Simply click Add and write some words. Open the Attachments view to manage your media. Every image and every video you've added to your text will be listed here. Double-click an element to quickly edit it. Let's give this image a caption. Now, it is visible in the dashboard. Done with the writing? Let's polish your text. In the Revision view, you'll find Ulysses' Advanced Grammar and Style Check. Click Check Text to get suggestions for spelling, semantics, redundancy, style, and much more. Never worry about confusing its and its ever again. With the Advanced Grammar and Style Check, Ulysses always has your back. And by the way, it speaks over 20 languages. Last but not least, the overview. By displaying your writing progress, keywords, the outline, annotations, media, links, and footnotes, it does exactly what its name suggests. It provides an overview about everything that's important. Here, you can have it all, or hide it all if you're more of a minimalist. Don't need a specific section at the moment? Simply collapse it. Don't need a specific section at all? Make it disappear. After all, it's your overview. And that's it, the dashboard to your writing in Ulysses.